In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a secret gist on GitHub. Whether you're a developer looking to keep snippets of code neatly tucked away, or someone who loves organizing thoughts and notes in a digital format, gists are a handy tool. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring that by the end, you'll be proficient in creating your very own secret gist. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to your GitHub dashboard. This is your personal hub for all things related to your GitHub repositories and activities. Once you're there, take a glance up to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a small profile icon. It doesn't scream for attention, but that's where your personal settings and options reside. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select your gists. Now, if you're new to gists, let me provide a little context. Think of gists as a clever way to share and store snippets of code or even documentation that you might find useful later. They are like your personal clipboard that can be accessed anywhere, anytime. So, selecting your gists will take you directly to your personal gist page. Once you've landed on this page, you will find a variety of options. But what we're interested in is that enticing button labeled Create Gist. Click on it, and you're one step closer to creating your secret gist. At this point, GitHub will direct you to a new page dedicated to creating and managing your gists. This is essentially a blank canvas where you can input your code, notes, or any important intellectual snippets you need to save. You'll find it equipped with all the necessary tools, allowing you to focus on crafting exactly what you need. Simply enter the details or code into the provided fields. You can give your gist a file name with an extension, which GitHub uses to apply proper syntax highlighting if it's related to code. It's an incredibly versatile and user-friendly setup, perfect to capture those fleeting moments of inspiration or technical brilliance. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, you'll find an option labeled Create Secret Gist. Go ahead and click this button. Creating a secret gist means that only people with the link can see it. It's not public on your GitHub profile, which makes it a great choice for private developments or notes that aren't quite ready for public eyes. And with that click, you've successfully created your secret gist. It's a straightforward process, but one that effectively leverages GitHub's powerful capabilities. Thanks for joining me today.